President of India position, first citizen of India position. That is her achievement during our lifetime. She started as a teacher, then assistant professor, then irrigation department one junior assistant, then in Raipur one counselor. First academic service, then she entered into political service as counselor, then chairperson, then minister, then governor, then President of India. What else? All of us should have, this is the best example, even we are all born in a small way, with practice, with hard work, we can achieve anything in the world. That is where she has shown the way for all of us. I am very happy today. Wonderful place. This Mangalagiri All India Institute has been sanctioned. Then they asked me land. Then at that time we have given this land. If you can see this land, no All India Institute of Medical Science is having this type of land in the country itself, one of the best land. At that time I thought I can give anywhere, but this is a premier institute. I wanted to give one of the best land. That's why if you see in India, Amaravati will be the future city, that also modern city. In that city, our Mangalagiri All India Institute of Medical Science will be the #1 in the country forever. It is going to happen. I am very happy, along with Nadda ji, we laid the foundation in 2018. Again, Nadda, today also Health Minister again. 2018, and now it is coincidence. And also today this hospital, 960 beds, 1618 crores they have spent money. Today, first convocation within 9 years' time. We are very happy, one of the most impressive progress. Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has dedicated this institution to the nation. So, anything here, you are all working, latest technologies also. Your director has given very well, linking with IIT. Originally, all medical colleges are studying only MBBS. Today you wanted to become best leaders in medical profession. You have to study technology also, and also you have to go management also. All these things you have to integrate. Then only you will have bright future. Today, it is another very good example. By paying 10 rupees, anybody can have a treatment in All India Institute of Medical Science. That is the best service available for all of you. And also, your director just now told very clearly, he needs 10 acres of land for further development. I cannot say no. Immediately, we will give that land wherever you select. As on today, 183.11 acres we have given. Not the quantum of land, but the quality of land. If you can see the quality, nowhere. Even I am jealous now to study here, if possible. That is how it is there. Recently we had some problems of water, all these things. In future you won't have any problem. Either water or approach roads or power supply or storm water, and also anything for that matter. This is our top priority. We will do everything for building this institute, one of the most beautiful institute here. And also, this 10 acres, your management is trying to develop in Kolanukonda research block, School of Public Health, IIT, aims as a joint venture Medtronic Center they want to establish. And also I am requesting your director and faculty members. Now medical science has become medtech science. Medical and technology you have to integrate, then you can do wonders. That is the future, it is going to happen. Always I am thinking ahead of times. 25 years back or 30 years back, I promoted technology. Today we have reached to artificial intelligence. Now I am promoting deep tech in all walks of life, including in medical also. Then only we can serve better way, preventive health, real-time monitoring. Finally, curative, whenever there is a need, patient has to come to hospital. Otherwise, no need to come to hospital. That stage we have to reach. That is possible only through technology. I am really thankful to Government of India. These are all in the Bifurcation Act. With a true spirit, they implemented not only All India Institute of Medical Science, one is Tribal University in Vizianagaram, IIM in Visakhapatnam, Indian Institute of Petroleum and Energy, Visakhapatnam, Indian Institute of Foreign Trade in Kakinada, NIT in Tadepalgudem, AIMS in Mangalagiri, National Institute of Design, Vijayawada, IIT, Tirupati, IISER, Tirupati, Indian Institute of Information Technology, Design and Manufacturing, Kurnool, Central University of Hyderabad, Central University of Andhra Pradesh in Anantapur, National Academy of Customs and Indirect Taxes and Narcotics in Hindupur. These are all 12 universities Government of India has sanctioned. All these institutions are going to become institutions of excellence in course of time. I asked your director, 9 years institute, what is our rank? All India level, among all All India Medical Sciences. He said 8. Why can't we achieve number 1? This is where I am requesting you, always aim high, you will reach it. I am confident. Anyway, I am going to come every year your convocation. Side by I am going to watch every year which place we are achieving. Today is the 8th place. Along with the students' merit, we have to improve the institution merit also. Then we will have a pride. That is where best place in India, best rank in India, All India Institute, which is the best rank, that is Mangalagiri, All India Institute of Medical Science. Along with you, I am telling you, I am assuring you, Amaravati we are building in a big way. Now we are spending nearly 50,000 crores within 3 years' time to make Amaravati one of the most beautiful city with a world-class infrastructure, ultimately green energy. And I can say in course of time, if you use green energy and also pollution-free atmosphere, then less people will come to your institute. That is more healthy. That is our aim. That is where we are working. I wish all the best. Excellent occasion by seeing auditorium also, one of the most beautiful auditorium. Well designed. Very happy to be here.